Welcome friends. In this video I am going to discuss about init method and how it performs inside inheritance. Okay, so first of all we have to declare two classes. Okay, the first class will be declare the init method, the second class also in the init method, but how that particular second class init method called the parent class init method. So first of all we go through the coding and you understand how it is going to be work in it. Okay, so first of all we have to declare as a class that's a init, sorry, class bard colon, and inside that bed you have to define the method def init self colon, and inside print bard is ready. Bard is a ready. Fine. Next you have to write who is this self print bard. Fine. Now another def swim. Then print swim faster. Then next comes another child class, that is penguin, and extends the bird class. And here def init and super dot super dot init call and print is ready. Then who is this print penguin. Run. Print run faster. Now creating the object of penguin, and here p dot with this dot swim p dot run. Okay, now run it. Bird is ready, penguin is ready. Penguin swim faster, run faster. So here who is this override to the who is this. So that's why here the overriding concept is applied. this is the overriding method. Over, because both have same name. This is the overridden method. Overriding, sorry, this is the overridden, and this is the overriding. Overriding method, and this is the overridden method. So here penguin is overriding with who is this bird. That's why here one property is so, one value is so. Who is this? Okay, and parent class here who is this not showing. So you can call this method by help of here super dot who is this. Okay, now when you going to run it, it also show you both bird and penguin. In this way you call that method. Fine. So here you understand what is the work of super. Super generally refer to the parent class method, and super refers to the parent class constructor and also property. If you want to access the property of the bird, you can also use the super. Super dot the property, and you can initialize that property directly. So super is the most important method or property which are used inside the particular inheritance concept. Okay. So here bird is the parent, here is the bird is the parent, base, super class. Bird here penguin is the child, sub, derive, and base, subclass. Okay, parent, base, superclass, child, derived, subclass. Okay, understood how the Python inheritance is going to be work? Very important inheritance, and there is a different types of inheritance. I am upcoming videos, I will build that videos. Inheritance single, this is called a single inheritance. This is a single inheritance. Single inheritance. Okay, and there is a multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance. In upcoming videos, I will explain the inheritance, how the Python is behaves, the different types of inheritance. Okay, if you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. Please, if you like this video, please share this video, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.